What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we're looking at some really interesting and cool pieces of tech. This is from EIGHTREE, and this is a 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi compatible smart plug. Each one of these boxes has 2 smart plugs in it, so you can have 4 devices that you can control right from your phone in the app and everything, and turn things on or off as needed, which I feel like is a super useful tool. We're going to take a look at both of these in just a moment, but before we get started, I want to give a quick shout out to Geeks Outfit. This is the Stardew Valley kind of Hawaiian style t-shirt here, and I absolutely love it. You can get this and many more t-shirts. I'll put the links in the description below. They have t-shirts, sweatshirts, accessories, all kinds of cool stuff, even mugs and stuff. Very cool stuff over there. I'll put a link to the description to check them out. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the product themselves again. We got 2 of these, so shout out EIGHTREE for sending these out. Let's go ahead and open these up real quick and see what's inside. Alright, so as we open it up, we can see that there are 2 devices included, which is always nice. And then we have an instruction manual in here, and that's about it. The rest of the box is just to kind of keep them in place and not rolling around in there during shipping, so at least you know they're safe and secure. If we look at the instruction manual or user manual, it will give us information about how to connect and pair the device. It says introduction, installation, and third-party control. So you can actually use devices like, I assume, Alexa and things like that to control the power on these. And then, of course, it has a QR code, which I'll put up on the screen. There it is. So that hopefully you guys will be able to actually get the app if needed. And here is the actual device. We can see that it's a standard plug with a nice EIGHTREE logo. On the side we have a 5 gigahertz logo, and on the other side we have a power button for manual control to turn this on or off, or I assume to actually start pairing. And then on the back here, see if I can get it to focus. There we go. We can see that the voltage is between 100 and 240 volts, and the max load is 1100 watts at 10 amps. So these are not like low-end devices. These can actually power quite a bit. I'm very excited to try these out, and you know, obviously having a smart home is a very fun and cool as well as useful thing to have. So I'm going to get these set up with lamps and all that good stuff, and so we can get everything controlled wirelessly. I'll put a link to these in the description if you want to try these out yourself. They're pretty inexpensive, and yeah, thank you so much for EIGHTREE for sending this out, and thank you so much for watching. As always, hope you have a good one, and peace.
He's the quickest in the West. Cycle the raps, he is simply the best. MikeTheTech, the architect. That's that digital guru with a modern day voodoo. The dude with the short fuse for ignorant minds. You can learn a thing or two about a new device. Unbox and kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect, MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech.